Yes, today I will show you. In previous video, I have shown the how to create a footing, some footing with columns and plinth beam. So here in east elevation, I have changed something. So I have changed like base and plinth level I have created here, and you can note down. In previous class, I have made some mistakes here for giving the this elevation. So just I just rename it and create one more level here also. Okay, don't confuse about the. Again, I go to ground floor plan. Now I'll place the columns ground floor to first floor. Okay, first before that I will check the levels. So it's absolutely fine. So how much? 3 meter, 3 meter. Okay, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3. Fine. 4.2 is nothing but from here. Okay, from here to here, 4.2 meter. Okay, don't confuse about it. So again go to ground floor. Then you can create the columns structure. Yes, option called column, structural column. Shortcut is CL. You can remind me after. Okay, so I just place a column here, just place it, and the column size will be same. Okay, no need to change. Zero point 0.3 into 0.3. You can select the column. You can copy. See here, I'm just copying the columns. Okay, select the entire columns. You can easily copy, copy and select this grid. So now you can go to 3D. You can see here the entire column is placed created. Again go to ground floor and you can create. Now what you create, you can create a beams structural frame. Okay, beam is nothing but a structural framing member. Okay, structural frame. So you can go to first floor also, or you can go to ground floor, or you can go to 3D and select the beam, select the beam and load it on, load the beam. So structural framing. So find out the structural framing member and go to concrete and select this one. Go to edit type, make it duplicate. The beam size is 0.23. Okay, like the size is 0.23. I'm just showing you how to model the structural. Okay, it's not exact way, exact data. Okay, so check 3D snapping. From here to here you can draw the beam. See, the beam is created. Now we can copy also. Check. So for that, underlay up to base I will select. So ground floor. Yeah, not showing. The beam is not showing. Can copy. Possible in. Okay, you can draw. You can copy also, but it's visible actually. uh, Drawing in ground floor, but not visible. To do ground floor is into. So also not visible. So I can delete it. For that, go to ground floor and I can draw the beams. See, does it work or not? I can draw beams from here to here. Okay. So none of the created elements are visible for the floor plan. You may want to check the active view, the parametric and visibility setting. You will. Okay, fine. It's making some warnings. and view range unlimited, or choose GF. Okay. Can make it into levels unlimited also, right? You can see it's, now it's all visible. And if you make it into base, some base is also available. Top up to, make it as unlimited from top up to uh, ground floor. Okay, ground floor, third floor. Okay, ground floor, bottom. Yeah, all the levels are correct, but associated level. Okay, apply. Fine. Due to some technical issue, I will check and inform. And you can copy the column also. Where you copy? So you can copy from here. You can come to east elevation and copy from one to another. This also possible. Again, go to north elevation. You can draw the beams here. That also possible. So go, go to beam. So before that, you have to go to 3D. So you can copy. So you can check 3D. So that's okay, fine. Otherwise, you can draw the structural column beams, and you can draw the beams from here to here. You can see it also the easiest way. And go to east elevation or go to north elevation. You can copy the same. Copy from here to here and here. Okay. Now you can go to 3D. You can see the beams how it's look like. So I will check the settings and I will inform. Okay. So actually I have forgot that settings. So again go to beams and draw it. I'll draw from here to here. So you can see that also possible. Okay. Beams. I'm just modeling. Okay. I'm not placing any rebars here. In next class we'll place the rebars, everything. So then I go to top. So you can check the copying option. From here to here you can copy, and here to here. It's happened. So fine. You can observe that I have created the beams, columns. So using visibility graphics also. Footings, plinth beam. So in next class I will create a walls. Okay. So today is enough. In next class I will create a walls. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.